I'll be using size 16 pearls. You can get bigger pearls like size 18, size 20 if you have access to that, but I'm using size 16. Then I'm going to be teaching us two methods of fitting the handle. We are going to be using this for method 1. Then we are going to be fitting the handle directly to the bag for method 2. So anyone you prefer. So let's start with fitting the handle directly to the bag first. To do that, we are going to pass our fishing line through this middle bead here. So this is how the side of our bag is. We're going to pass our fishing line through the center bead. So we pass your fishing line through the center bead, just like this. Then you make sure the two ends of your fishing line are joined together, just like this. Make sure the two ends of your fishing line are joined together like this. After joining the two ends of your fishing line together like this, we can then start inserting our pearls, our bigger pearls. So I have 15 in now. Let's check. So I think I'm okay with the 15 length. Or let me just add 2 extra to make it 17. So just add the number of beads to your desired length, to how long you want the handle to be. So I'm adding 2 extra to make it 17. So I think 17 is okay. After adding the number of beads you want on the fishing line, we are going to crisscross our fishing line in the center bead on this other end of the bag. Just like the center bead, we put our fishing line on the other side. We pass the fishing line through the center bead too. So the left side, the right side of the fishing line goes to the left side like this, and then the left side of the fishing line goes to the right side like this. So you need to hold this very tight. You will need to hold this very tight and make sure it's aligned, because we don't want the handle of our bag to be flappy like this. We want it to stand, to be firm. We want the handle of our bag to be very firm, so we need to hold it very tight. So after crossing like that, then we pass the fishing line through the work and then we tie. So I pass my fishing line through this circle and then I'll be tying at this point. So you can tie. Then after that, you know the next thing to do is just to hide your fishing line and then cut it off. Then you've made the handle of the bag. So because I'm going to teach us the second method, I'm going to remove this now and let's do the second method. So to make the handle of our bag using the rings, so I'm using this ring because it can easily go through the hole, because this is a scissors hole, so the ring can easily go through the hole of the bag. That's why I'm using this. If you are using the other type of clamps, that means you have to attach a ring first before you can use the other one, but this one can easily go through the hole of the bag, so that's why I'm using this. Now let's fix the handle. To fix your handle, just pass your fishing line through the ring like this, just like this, and then add the number of beads you want to add. I'll be adding 15 for now. I think 15 should be enough. So I'm adding 15 beads. So I have 17 here. 15 looked short, so I increased it to 17. I have 17 beads inside here. Then we are going to pass our fishing line through the second end, through the second ring. So we pass our fishing line through the second ring like this. Pass our fishing line through the second ring like this. Normally we can tie just here. We can tie our fishing line just here and then pass it through the bead and cut it off. But I don't like tying here because it can make your work look not too neat. So I'm going to show us the method of tying that I use. So instead of tying at this point, what I do is that I take out two beads. I take out two beads like this. I then pull out this fishing line that is not on my ring. I pull out the fishing line that's not on my ring. That's this one. So two beads are on just one fishing line only. Then I pass the fishing line that is going through my ring through the two beads up. I don't know if you understand, just watch what I'm doing. So I pass this fishing line that is in my ring through these two beads up. So I pull and then I can tie at this point. If I tie at this point, I can easily hide my knot. So I tie at this point. So it's very tight. So I tie very well, and then the handle of my bag is very tight. Make sure it's very tight. Make sure the handle of your bag is very tight. So after tying, you can tie 2 to 3 times. Then I can pass my fishing line through the bead and then hide my knot. So I pass my fishing line through the bead and then drag to hide my knot. I can then cut at this point. And that's we have the end of our bag. So we can then attach this to the bag. We can easily attach this to the bag.